Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your device type and unlocking it. This saves time. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Sound or Sounds and Haptics on iOS or Notifications and Sound on Android. You want to find the menu that controls vibration. Make sure headphones or Do Not Disturb are handy so you can test without disturbing others. This initial step locates the control surface. Without it, you can't change system or app vibration behaviors. Now move to the specific vibration controls in the next step. You now disable global vibration so notifications stop vibrating across apps. On Android, go to Sound and Vibration and reduce vibration intensity to 0 or turn off Vibrate for calls and notifications. On iPhone, go to Sounds and Haptics and toggle off System Haptics, then disable Vibrate on Ring and Vibrate on Silent. Once done, make sure to test with a message or email. If you still feel vibration, proceed to app-level settings because some apps override system defaults. Now finish by checking app-specific settings because many apps can override system vibration. For each app, open its notification settings and turn off Vibrate or choose a silent notification tone. Once done, verify Do Not Disturb or Focus rules. Make sure no exceptions allow vibration. Restart your device to apply all changes. If vibration persists, check for accessibility or third-party apps that manage haptics. Disable or uninstall them. Finally, test with a live notification to confirm the vibration is gone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.